The Proud Bird. Hey Tommy, look at me. I'm the best bird in the forest. I can fly higher and faster than anyone else. Oh really? You seem quite proud of yourself, Sammy. Of course I am. Don't you think I'm amazing? Well, you are a very skilled bird, but remember, pride comes before a fall. What do you mean? I mean that being too proud can lead to trouble. It's important to be humble and remember that everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. But I don't have any weaknesses, I'm the best. That is where you are wrong, Sammy. We all have weaknesses, even the strongest and most skilled among us. It's important to acknowledge them and work on improving ourselves. I guess you are right. Maybe I should try to be more humble. That's a good idea, Sammy. Remember, it's not just about how high or fast you can fly, but also how you treat others and what you can learn from them. Moral of the story: pride can lead to arrogance and cause you to overlook our weaknesses. It's important to be humble and acknowledge our flaws in order to improve and learn from others.